Let's talk onions. It's an ingredient which is used on a regular basis in all the cuisines across the world, usually used as an aromatic or an ingredient that flavors the dish, but never used as the main ingredient. So today I'm going to be using it as a vegetable and the main ingredient for the recipe. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And today I bring to you the recipe for onion curry, and of course, onion being the hero. I'm going to start with prepping the onions. So let's see how. I have 250 grams of baby onion here that I've peeled. And now I'm just going to score them. Just take an onion and we're just going to make a cross. Not all the way through. Don't cut it into half. Just make a cross. And not on the side where there's the head. So use the other side to make a cross. So in this way, just prepare all the onion bulbs and keep them ready. Let's start with heating some oil. So around a tablespoon and a half of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. You could also add in kalonji or onion seeds if you have any at home. Let's add in a few curry leaves. I have 6 to 7 garlics that I have sliced. Also, a tablespoon of ginger julienne. Cook all these ingredients for a few seconds. Besides the 250 grams of the baby onions that I've taken, I've also taken one big onion that I've finely chopped, and now I'm going to cook it till it caramelizes. One onion finely chopped. Also add in 2 pinches of salt so that the onion releases its natural sugars and caramelizes. Cook the onions till they start turning brown. The onions have started to change color. Into this I'm going to add in 3 tomatoes that I've boiled and pureed. Give this a good mix and let it cook down for at least a good 4 to 5 minutes. The puree has cooked down and time to add in all the dry spices. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Give this a good mix. And now add in 4 tablespoons of churned curd. Make sure the curd is fresh. Keep stirring on high flame. Give it a good mix. After mixing the curd, cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. After cooking the gravy for 2 minutes, let's add in the main ingredient, that is the onions. Also add in 2 green chilies that I've just slit from the center. Add in a teaspoon of sugar, and if you like it slightly sweeter, maybe a pinch extra. Give it a good mix. Next add in some water, around 3/4 cup of water. Also salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Cover this and let it cook for about 5 minutes or till the onions are nice and soft. Let's check on the onions. The onions have cooked beautifully. Add in a little bit of coriander leaves, and this onion curry is ready to plate. Pair it with some flaky parathas or jeera rice or any kind of bread of your choice and savor every bite of this delicious onion curry. Do give this a try, it's too simple, and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.